In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Square Appointments dashboard and add a service. Whether you're a small business owner or someone who is managing appointments for the first time, setting up and adding services in the Square Appointments dashboard can streamline your scheduling process and enhance client satisfaction. So let's dive in and walk through these steps together. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Square Appointments site. Simply open your browser and go to their free appointment scheduling software page. This is a great resource for businesses of any size, offering robust features to help you manage appointments efficiently. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in to your existing account. Click on the Sign In button, usually located at the top corner of the page. Enter your login details to access your personal dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by following the registration prompts. But for now, we'll assume you've signed in successfully. With access to your dashboard, it's time to get into the nuts and bolts of managing your services. From here, you'll notice a variety of options on the dashboard menu. To begin adding a service, navigate to Item and Services. This menu houses all the things you may need to edit or add during your appointment setup. Once you're inside the Item and Services section, go ahead and click on Items. This will direct you to a page where you can view, edit or add items that your business provides. Since we're focusing on appointments today, we'll be heading towards the Service Library. It's a subsection dedicated to the services you offer, distinguishing them from physical products or general items. Now click on the Service Library tab. You'll be greeted with a list of services already set up, or if you're new here, a blank canvas ready for your personal touch. To add a new service, look for the Create Service button. Clicking this will open a new form where you can input the details of your service. When filling out the service information, make sure to include the service name, a brief description, duration, price, and any other details that might be relevant to your clients. This ensures clarity and reduces confusion when clients are booking through your system. Once you've filled out everything you need, hit save. Remember, having a well-organized service library enhances your client's booking experience and ensures they have all the information they need up front. And there you have it, you're now equipped with the knowledge to use the Square Appointments dashboard and add a service efficiently. Thanks for tuning in and happy scheduling.